Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Karan Kumar Dash, come back again for you, and today I will complete my syllabus. The last topic I will give the lecture only for you, and today's topic is the benzoic acid. It is the last topic which is remaining in our syllabus. So, what is benzoic acid? Benzoic acid is the most simplest aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay, benzoic acid is the most simplest organic carboxylic acid. Okay, so first, what is the method of preparation of the benzoic acid? The method of the preparation of the benzoic acid, we can prepare benzoic acid from the oxidation of the alkyl benzenes, different alkyl benzenes like the toluene. How? Right, I am giving the example by taking the toluene as alkyl benzene. When we oxidize toluene with the help either the sodium dichromate or potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate. Okay, either sodium dichromate or potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate you can also use. Okay, see here I am giving the example. See here, it is the toluene. Hope you can see it is the toluene. See, either you will use the sodium dichromate or potassium permanganate. Within these two you can use only one, not the two. Okay, remember, don't be get mistake or don't be get confused. Either you can use as a oxidizing agent sodium dichromate or potassium permanganate. Okay, and it is ultimately converted to the benzoic acid. Okay, next, see here, I am giving the another example by taking alkyl benzene as the ethyl benzene. See here also same thing is happened. The ethyl benzene is converted to the benzoic acid by the oxidizing with either the sodium dichromate or the potassium permanganate, any one. Okay, it is the first method, the oxidation of the alkyl benzene. Second method of the preparation is the by reaction with the carbon dioxide with the phenyl magnesium bromide. When the phenyl magnesium bromide reacts with the carbon dioxide, it is converted to the benzoic acid, and when it is reacts with the carbon dioxide, the second step which will happen in the reaction, that is the hydrolysis. First, it is reacts with the phenyl magnesium bromide reacts with the carbon dioxide and intermediate compound is forming, and in the second step the carbon dioxide molecule is removed again by the hydrolysis and it is ultimately converted to the benzoic acid. Okay, see here I am giving this method. Phenyl magnesium bromide, it reacts with the carbon dioxide and converted to an intermediate compound, and in the second step by the hydrolysis method this carbon dioxide molecule is removed and it is converted to the benzoic acid. Okay, now the third method of the preparation, here we will use the benzonitrile. What is benzonitrile? Benzonitrile is the phenyl cyanide. Here we hydrolysis the benzonitrile or phenyl cyanide and it is converted to the benzoic acid. Okay, see here, it is the third method of preparation where we convert the benzonitrile or phenyl cyanide by the hydrolysis method to the benzoic acid. Okay, it is the third method of preparation. And last method of preparation, when by the basic hydrolysis of the benzo trichloride. How we will obtain the benzo trichloride? By the chlorination of the toluene. So in the first step, by the chlorination of the toluene, we obtain the benzo trichloride, and by the basic hydrolysis of the benzo trichloride, we ultimately obtain the benzoic acid. See here, in the first step, the toluene, when in the presence of the UV light of the chlorination, it is converted to the benzo trichloride. It is converted to the benzo trichloride, and in the second step it is basic hydrolysis by the sodium hydroxide, and it is converted to the first step of the sodium benzoate, and in the second step it is finally converted to the benzoic acid. Okay, that is the total 4 methods of the preparation of the benzoic acid. It is the method of preparation is completed. So now we will start the physical properties of the benzoic acid. First thing, it is colorless solid. One colorless solid. Okay, it is not liquid, one solid. Its melting point is more or less 120 to 122 degrees Celsius. And remember, it is not soluble in the cold water. It is soluble in the hot water as well as different organic solvent like the ethanol, like the benzene, diethyl ether, etc. And it is slightly stronger acid than acetic acid. Okay. Now I am describing the chemical properties of the benzoic acid. See, from the structure you can understand here one benzene ring is present along with one carboxyl group is present. Okay, it is the structure of the benzoic acid, ultimate structure of the benzoic acid. Okay, here one benzene ring is present and one COOH group, that means one carboxyl group is present. So in chemical properties, this benzoic acid shows the both reaction, that means the benzene reaction as well as the carboxyl group reaction also. Okay, both kind of reaction has been shown by the benzoic acid. First, I am describing the carboxyl acid group reaction. First one, the salt formation. When it reacts to either sodium hydroxide or sodium bicarbonate, it is converted to the sodium benzoate. Okay, see here, when it reacts with the when benzoic acid reacts with the either sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate, it is converted to the sodium benzoate. Okay, it is the first reaction under the carboxylic acid group or COOH group. Okay, next reaction, ester formation. When benzoic acid reacts with the ethyl alcohol in presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid, it is converted to the ethyl benzoate. Okay, when benzoic acid reacts with the ethyl alcohol in presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid, it is converted to the ethyl benzoate. See here, benzoic acid reacts with the ethyl alcohol in presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid and it is converted to the ethyl benzoate. Okay. Now, next reaction is the reduction to the benzyl alcohol. If we reduce benzoic acid by the help of the lithium aluminium hydride, it is converted to the benzyl alcohol. Okay, if we reduce by the lithium aluminium hydride, then the benzoic acid will convert it to the benzyl alcohol. And remember one thing, in place of the lithium aluminium hydride, you can also use the boron in tetrahydrofuran. Okay, boron means BH3, that's the chemical formula, and tetrahydrofuran also in short term we know as THF. Okay, so you can use in place of the lithium aluminium hydride, that chemical formula is the LiAH4. Okay, see here, LiAH4, when the benzoic acid is converted to the benzyl alcohol by the reduction. Okay, and in place of the this lithium aluminium hydride, you can use the boron in tetrahydrofuran. Okay, it is also one reducing agent. Next, acyl halide formation. From the name, hopefully you can understand it. Here one halogen reaction is required. Halogen means maybe chlorine, maybe bromine. So here I am giving the example, the reaction of the benzoic acid with phosphorus pentachloride along with the thionyl chloride, and in both cases the ultimately we obtain the benzoyl chloride. Okay, that is one acyl halide. See here, when benzoic acid reacts with the phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride, ultimately benzoyl chloride will be obtained as a final product. Okay, it is the acyl halide formation. And last reaction under the COOH group reaction, that is the decarboxylation. if we heated benzoic acid along with the soda lime, that means the calcium oxide along with the sodium hydroxide, if we heated the benzoic acid with soda lime, then it is converted to its original mother benzene ring, okay, along with calcium carbonate. See here, when we heated the benzoic acid along with the soda lime, okay, along with the soda lime, then benzene is obtained as ultimate product, okay, by the reduction of one carbon dioxide molecule is removing. One carbon dioxide molecule is removing from this benzoic acid, and after that the final product is the benzoic acid, okay. It is the overall reaction for the COOH group, that means the carboxyl group. Now I am describing the reactions of the benzene ring. There is only one reaction is there for the benzene ring, that is the electrophilic substitution. See here, the benzene ring of the benzoic acid undergoes the electrophilic substitution, and remember the COOH group, that means the carboxyl acid group, that is one meta detector, and when the benzene ring undergoes the electrophilic substitution, it ultimately deactivated. When basically when the benzoic acid reacts with acids, then this electrophilic substitution can be happen. Here I am giving the example when benzoic acid reacts with the nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and ultimately it is converted to the meta-nitrobenzoic acid. It is one example of the electrophilic substitution. When benzoic acid reacts with the nitric acid and sulfuric acid, it is converted to the meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Clear? That's all chemical reactions of the benzoic acid. And now its use. First use, it can be used as the germicide in case of the urinary infection. For the urinary infection, it can be used as germicide, and not only that, it also used for the germicide fuming, that means the in gaseous germicide for the disinfectant of the pulmonary tubes. In that case, it can be also used as a germicide. Okay, so one use you can understand, that is the germicide. Now the second use, that is the very much common use in the industry, sodium benzoate can be used as one preservative. When you will go to the pharma industry for working as a chemist or as the working officer, then you can understand in the manufacturing, those who are going in the manufacturing and production, they will repeatedly use sodium benzoate as preservative in different batches of the medicine. Basically, it is lots of uses in the oral liquid. Different oral liquid, it is used as a preservative. And not only in medicine industry, it is also used in the food industry. That means in the tomato ketchup, in the pickles, it can also be used. Okay. So it is total benzoic acid. If you feel any problem, you can call me on my WhatsApp number 9804915527, or you can mail me on karankumards103@gmail.com, or you can give the comment on this video. I will definitely reply you. Thank you. Before completion, those who are interested, they can take the screenshot of this note. Thank you. Thank you. So, your syllabus is totally complete on today, and remember, your exam most probably on the last week of the July or first week of the August. So be sincere on your study. Repeat your syllabus again and again, and if you feel any problem, you can call me or WhatsApp me, okay, and see my video repeatedly. Hopefully your doubts will be clear. If you feel any doubt, you can call me. Thank you. Take care. Study well.